how to recover deleted stories in Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can recover deleted stories in Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there are two types of stories, one that you uploaded and then it got deleted after 24 hours because the story has expired. That you can still find in the archive section. But if you uploaded a story and then you deleted it right after that without the 24-hour watermark, maybe after 1 or 2 hours, a couple of minutes, then you will not be able to find that particular story because that you deleted it yourself. But if it is a story that got expired automatically after 24 hours of viewing, then you can still find that story that you have uploaded in the past. And to do this, you can try to tap the profile icon from the top left, tap the three dots option here, and then go to the option called archive. Once you go to the option called archive, tap the option called story archive if you are not on story archive. And as you tap on the story archive tab over here, you should be able to see all of the stories that you have uploaded in the past according to the date and region and so on. And this way you'll be able to find deleted stories on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.